Hi everybody, Eric Knost here, your superintendent. What a great day. We are traveling around to 3 different schools today to award and recognize our elementary, middle, and high school Teachers of the Year, district-wide Teachers of the Year. It's going to be a great time. We hope you'll stay with us, come along, and enjoy what we're about to do. Mr. Ribbon, you are the Rockwood District-wide High School Teacher of the Year. District-wide Middle School Teacher of the Year. Congratulations! They're not coming in here, are they? Hi, boys and girls!
Good morning, Mrs. Pennycuick.
What's going on?
What are you doing? You have to turn around.
Oh.
You are the District-wide Elementary Teacher of the Year. And we've surprised you. No, we're not kidding.
Pennycuick is the Teacher of the Year of all of the elementary schools.
Uh-oh, cake flew off.
That's okay.